नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वेलकम टू श्री ज्ञानसागर कोचिंग क्लासेस YouTube channel. To get more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the next points of the chapter 5th, coordinate geometry, mathematics, part 2, 10th standard. Now the next point is, let's learn division of a line segment. Mean that any line you have to divide by any point. Then suppose I have to draw one figure here. AB is the line here, say line segment. P is the point such that we divide this line segment in the ratio 6 by 10. Mean that AP is 6 and PB is how much? 10 here. Then in this figure AP is 6 and PB is 10. Then AP upon PB is 6 upon 10. We can simplify by using 2. Then 2 3s are 2 5s. Means then it is said that point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:5. 3:5. Then section formula. Now I have to draw here x and y plane here. In this plane, this is the segment AB. A having coordinate is x1, y1, B having coordinate is x2, y2, and P divide this segment AB in the ratio. Suppose that this is m and this is n. Suppose this ratio is m and this ratio is n. Then student, look carefully. Point P xy on the line segment AB in xy plane, divide the segment AB in the ratio m as to n. Then the x coordinate of the point P is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore, the coordinate of point P, x and y are, I have to write in bracket here, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, is the coordinate of point P. This is the section formula, very important formula. We use directly this formula to find out the x and y coordinate of any point which divide the any segment in the ratio. Next student, the next point is coordinate of the midpoint of a segment. All of you know that for every segment only one is the midpoint here. Suppose here is point P is the midpoint of this segment AB, means that AP is equals to PB. Means here this ratio m is equals to how much? N. Here m and n is equal. Suppose that this P divides the ratio m as to n, then m is equals to n. If here is x having coordinate is x1 y1 and B having A having coordinate is x1 y1 and B having coordinate is x2 y2 are the 2 points, and P in bracket x comma y is the midpoint of the segment AB, then m is equals to n. Then we have to find out the value of x by using the midpoint. Midpoint means center point here, means x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, mid, so divide by 2, and y is y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then the coordinate of point PR, we have to write in this bracket here, x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, bracket is closed here. Then third one is the centroid. Now this, look at this triangle ABC. G is the centroid of the segment. Suppose that AD is the segment here, point G is the centroid here of this triangle ABC. Then in triangle ABC, A having coordinates x1 y1, B having coordinates x2 y2, C having coordinates x3 y3, and point G having coordinates x and y is the centroid of triangle ABC. Then the formula for centroid means that coordinate of x is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y is y1 plus y2 upon y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Student, this is the pair of this centroid here. So the coordinate of point G are x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Student, we use this formula, means that section formula, then midpoint formula, then centroid formula to find out the examples, mean the ratio of the given examples in the practice set. Next practice set 5.2 here. Okay. Let's see the practice set 5.2. The first question is that find the coordinate of point P if P divide the line segment joining the points A -1 7 and D 4 and -3 in the ratio 2 as to 3. Now student, its solution is, let P in bracket x comma y divides segment AB in the ratio m as to n, and the coordinates of the point A, B x1 y1 and B x2 y2 respectively. Therefore, hence x1 is equals to, by comparing A with x1 y1, we get here x1 is equals to -1, y1 is equals to 7, then x2 is equals to 4 and y2 is equals to -3, m as to n is equals to 2 as to 3. Now student, therefore by using section formula, this section formula is x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Then we have to find out the coordinates of the P, means that x and y. Here is m is 2, then x2 is how much? 4, plus n is 3, then x1 is -1 upon m is 2 plus 3, and y is equals to m is 2 into y2 is how much? -3, plus n is 3 into y1 is 7 upon how much? 2 plus 3. Then student, therefore x is equals to 2 4s are 8 plus minus 3 1s are 3 upon 5, and y is equals to -6, 3 2s are -6 plus 21 upon how much? 5. Then the subtraction is 5, means that x is equals to 5 upon 5 and y is equals to, here is -6 plus 21 becomes 15 upon how much? 5. Therefore x is equals to 5 upon 5 means 1, and y is equals to 5 1 the 5 3s. Therefore x having values are 1 and y having values 3. Therefore the coordinate of point P are 1 and 3. Then we write the answer in full sentence. Therefore answer, again we are write here, the coordinate of point P, the coordinate of point P are 1 and 3. Can you understand? We take next question. Question second. In each of the following example, find the coordinate of point A. Look here, we have to find out the coordinate of point A, which divide the segment PQ in the ratio A as to B. Here is the ratio is given A as to B. A as to B is given here. P having coordinate is -3 and 7. Q is 1 and -4. A as to B is 2 as to 1. So, solution of such question. Let the coordinate of point A, B, x, A, B, x and y, which divides segment PQ, in the ratio A as to B. Now the coordinate point PR x1 y1, point QR x2 y2, then x1 is equals to, by comparing it, x1 is equals to -3, y1 is equals to 7, x2 is equals to 1, y2 is equals to -4. Here is point E, divide the segment PQ in the ratio A as to M, A as to B, in that A as to B is equals to 2 as to 1. Therefore, by using section formula, the formula is x is equals to, here is ax1 ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b, and y is equals to ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. Here, rather than m and n, we take here a and b, because the given that a has to b. So substitute the values of all these x1, y1, x2, y2 and here a and b. We get that x is equals to a2, then x2 is 1 plus b is 1, then x1 is -3 upon 2 plus 1, and y is equals to a is 2 into y2 is -4 plus b is 1 into y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 1. 2 1s are 2 plus minus -3 upon 2 plus 1 becomes 3, and y is equals to -8, 7 1s are 7 upon 3, then x is equals to -1 upon 3 and y is equals to also, here is -1 upon 3. Therefore x comma y having coordinate is -1 upon 3 and -1 upon 3. The answer in full sentence, answer. Therefore the coordinate of point A R in bracket -1 upon 3, -1 upon 3. Okay, we take the next question. Okay, next question of the question second sub question here. P having coordinate is -2 and -5, Q is 4 and 3, A has to be is 3 has to 4. We have to find out the coordinate of point A. Its solution is, let A having x and y be the, let point A xy divides segment PQ in the ratio A as to B, and the coordinates of point PR x1 y1 and QR x2 y2 respectively. Student, here when we comparing with P and Q with this coordinate, then x1 is equals to -2, y1 is equals to -5, x2 is equals to 4, y2 is equals to how much? 3, and A as to B is equals to 3 as to 4. Therefore, by using section formula, now this formula by using the ratio A as to B is A x2 plus B 5 upon A is 3 and B is 4. Then student, 3 4s are 12. Then plus minus minus, 4 2s are 8 upon 3 plus 4 becomes 7 and y is equals to 3 3s are 9 plus minus minus 4 5s are 20 upon how much? 7. Student, subtraction of this is x is equals to 4 upon 7 and y is equals to, this subtraction is minus 11 upon 7. We cannot divide it, so that x comma y is equals to 4 upon 7 minus 11 upon 7. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, answer, the coordinate of point A are 4 upon 7 comma minus 11 upon 7. Now student, in this second question there are 3 sub questions. I have taken first and second. You have to solve at home sub question number 3rd. Then we take next question. Question number 3rd. Find the ratio. Now student, look carefully. Here you have to find out the ratio in which t minus 1 6 divide the line segment joining the points p minus 3 10 q 6 and minus 3. Mean that student, we have to find out here ratio m has to n. Okay. First I have to write here solution. Let point t divides segment PQ in the ratio m as to n. The coordinates of point P are x1 y1, q are x2 y2 and t are x comma y. Here x1 is equals to, by comparing it with x1 is equals to 3, y1 is equals to how much? 10, x2 is equals to 6, y2 is equals to minus 3. Now the coordinate of t, x and y, mean that t is minus 1, mean that x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to how much? 6. We have to find out here m as to n is equals to question mark. Therefore, by using section formula, section formula is x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Student, we have to find out here ratio m as to n. So take any one of these x and y coordinates. So I have to take here only x. Mean that the value of x is here minus 1 is equals to m. We have to find out here. Then x2 is 6 plus n also find here. x1 is minus 3 upon m plus n. Then by cross multiplication, minus 1 into m plus n is equals to 6m minus 3n. Now student, when we multiply this minus m, then we get minus m plus minus n is equals to 6m minus 3n. Then I have to transfer this m to this side and n to this side. We get that minus m plus minus 6m. Transfer here, convert as minus, is equals to minus 3n plus this n. Subtraction is minus 7m is equals to, the subtraction is minus twice n. And again changing the sign, then it becomes 7m is equals to twice n. Student, I have transferred this n to this side and 7 to this side. Mean that n convert as denominator. Mean that m upon n is equals to, here is 2. This goes to denominator is upon 7. Means that student, m as to n is equals to 2 as to 7. So the answer in full sentence. Therefore, point T divides segment PQ in the ratio m/n is equals to 2:7. Okay, we take the question 4. Question number 4. Point P is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter. Find the coordinate of point B if the coordinates of point A and P are given. A is 2n minus 3 and P is minus 2 and 0 respectively. For this student, its solution is. For this I have to draw one figure here. I will draw one circle with center as P is the center here and AB is the diameter here. AB is the diameter. Now here I have to take the coordinates of point A, P and B here. Now let the coordinates of point A are x1, y1, B are x2, y2 and P are x and y. Now student, P is the center of circle and segment AB is diameter of circle. Therefore, P is midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, by using midpoint formula, the value of x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and value of y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Student, here x1 is the coordinate of point A is 2 here. Then y1 is minus 3. x2 is x2 and y2 we have to find out here. Mean that x is equal to question mark, y2 is also question mark. Then x is given here minus 2 and y is 0. Now we use all these values to find out the value of x and y. Therefore, x2 and y. Therefore, x is equals to minus 2 is equals to x1 plus x2. x1 is 2 plus x2 we have to find out here upon here 2 and y is 0 is equals to y1 plus y2. y1 is minus 3 plus y2 find out here upon how much 2. Then these 2 goes to numerator, mean that minus 2 into 2 is equals to 2 plus x2 and here is 0 into 2 is equals to minus 3 plus y. Then minus 4 is equals to 2 plus x2 and 0 is equals to minus 3 plus y. Transpose here, minus 4 minus 2 is equals to x2. Here is 0 plus 3 is equals to y. This subtraction is minus 6 is equals to x2 and 3 is equals to y2. Therefore, x2 is equals to minus 6 and y2 is equals to 3. Therefore, the coordinates of point